Welcome to the show. My name is Alistair, and I'm here to answer your questions about starting a carpet cleaning business. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to get more carpet cleaning jobs. Now, there are two reasons, there's a lot of reasons, two reasons today that we're going to talk about that will prevent you from booking more carpet cleaning jobs. Okay, let's dive right into it. So, the first thing that's going to prevent you from booking more carpet cleaning jobs is when somebody contacts you about carpet cleaning job, right? They want to get their carpet cleaning, you don't respond fast enough. Okay, you need to strike while the iron's hot. When the customer is thinking about carpet cleaning, they're available, they're texting you, they're calling you. You need to be available in that instant and respond to them immediately. And there's so many studies that show that if you respond within the first 2 minutes, 5 minutes at the max, your chances of booking that job go up astronomically. So how do we do that? Well, here's an example. All right, this customer, you can see they filled in a lead form, okay, on Facebook. And then what happens is they're instantly getting a text message. They're saying, hey, this is Alistair from Carpet Lease San Diego. I got your inquiry. Would you like a quote? And then instantly that goes out. Okay, so now they can respond to that text message, and then I can continue on that conversation from there. All right, so the first thing you have to worry about is speed to lead. All right, how fast can you communicate with that lead? And the faster you do that, the more likely you are to book that lead. All right, the second biggest problem I see when you're trying to book more leads is that leads fall through the cracks. All right, so they're messaging you from Facebook, from Google, from your website form, from text messages, from all these different areas, from Yelp, from this, from that. Okay, all these different areas, and you're forgetting to respond to these different people, or you sent an estimate, but you forget to follow up with that estimate, or they never responded, so you just left the conversation where it was. Well, look, that is money. You're leaving money on the table. How much money are you losing by not following up with these customers and by not plugging these little holes in your game? All right. Well, having a software like this, having a system and a process like I'm about to show you, will prevent any of that from happening. So, what happens is you need to have a pipeline system. All right. So, here's an example: a new lead comes in. When they respond, right, that means I'm having a conversation with them. I can move them to hot leads if I want, or I can move them to booking confirmed. And then after they book, I can actually move them to paid. All right. So this is a pipeline where what we have to do is move these people down the pipeline. And you want this to be as automated as possible, but also make it feel like a real person is behind us. So have a combination of manual and automated processes. But the trick is you have to bring in all of your different sources through automation to this new leads column. All right. And when they respond to your automated text message, well, then you can carry on the conversation. You know who's already speaking to you. Okay. Who needs to be followed up with? Well, that's your hot leads column. All right. When you book somebody, you move them to the booking confirmed column. And then finally, you can move them to the paid. All right. So that's how you can shuttle people through your pipeline. All right. It's so important to not let your leads slip through the cracks. This alone, if you get this right, will save you thousands and thousands of dollars each year in jobs that should have been booked, but you're too busy because you're using a spreadsheet or because you have multiple systems. All right. Putting it all in place is really going to help you out. Those are two quick tips I wanted to share with you today on how to book more carpet cleaning jobs. Hey, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be sharing so much more useful information in the future about how to grow and scale your carpet cleaning business. So, look, take a moment, subscribe to my channel. I hope this was helpful to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.